Esadoba FPN TV. That's right. For some food, Yamikasi, and I'm big media channels and done the Yamikano. Oba live, I'm sure say, Obeshe, a Jumedi, a Yamaya Cranson, Coso, now, Afonso, and Yabi Ashe. Abrabo according to Jumedi, and then so many Sia, Nana Sikeja. Yes, one of the finest Sia, our Ashanti region, and I'm in Asia, a bomb punimpu, a baby dim come on, Sia, Obia, what do a score, and soon yes. That's right. See, I will be our best for our soon and honam. How many and I'll come. I'm an even I'll come. Yavia Hodo. Ponanda Hodo, what you must send them Kuye. Ovisa Sem no say I then. A Juma pet our man. I could do a man in Navy, so you must say BCBC Bassa. What do I say? Never who will be how a bunch of watch a chill. What do I say? Offer Sia, or nobody who command be I come upon some coso at the amount. I wore an ember. And I say, our real cry to say, boys, no, never be grandmato say, Puna come to one day. Say, Nina, dear, a hinta. Ewo wabra abomu dia hinta ewo wadwuma yemu dia hinta wo sika semuno sia ayo crowd say obeboa ona wetimi ade ho ewo wo ha no amane nyina eno nti ensemble no meko na me si edi nkomo na ansana no di kan fa number no 0256 9983552 0256 9983552 nana sikedra. Yes, one of the finest CS yenyamo ewo yemri so ewo Ashanti region and make am follow the amount Elohim Kingdom Temple Mampontain. Yes, abeni na ye ba intimtem video no so yes say wo how wa money no bra comment section ho na ene ye nche ma otun po wadwen po nembra na si anso enyiwa no kwan so nkoso ene ye ba be din komo afa ana no ye koma ye di ye destiny according to your mother's family, destiny according to your father's tribe, destiny according to your color, destiny, your personal destiny. You baby room, you baby we our father's side, no, I don't know yet what you come up, yet so but you and then you baby we our father's side, no, anything, mima see a kwaba, sonko na yembong room, and we ensure that near fire, and a year, Papa. And then we have my power sonko. Right. I don't know. You didn't come over. Me say reaction. I hold over. Comment. I hold over. But to recap what we did last week. In summarizing the kakrabe some sima. And I know. Then come on. And it the man. You know. For a chair. If a personal destiny home. Destiny according to your mother's family and destiny according to your father's tribe. Kakra summary kakra na move on. I like saying that they be our father's side. Mother's side no. Okay, it's in battery room. Right. That's right. Up him so up.
There's an impasse. My
Concrongana.
Sending over in
right.
It's and I'm not thinking. Papa not so funny before my university. The chairman,
it's your papa for no abandon for and come.
No, I don't know. The chairman, His Excellency
John Dramani Mahama.
Last week, you know, you see, I did a cry. Now, you have a boy, and she said, "Oh, Mammy,
Busian.
I want to start there the baby.
I want to sustain. That's right.
I want to sustain. It's no, but I didn't say
right.
Oh, I will you with now, for I said, dear customer, Jana, Wabima, a young from so.
Right.
And I say, you was young and I say, yo, how my was young.
Okay.
Not a thing, what correct him.
Okay.
But so well, who was 7 and carved out the other was anyone. You're about 2 years 9 years. A big deal so.
Big deal so.
A vessel so.
A vessel so.
I want to get the soon as ever.
Right.
baako
no
and I assign is me who say both mammy and papa was running in anyone can say why I won. I was so some men I a woman that say was since I see you.
Right.
And to be papa was so I'm more dear over the percentage saying that ever come a bravo.
Okay.
Me mammy so bush and a woman to me. Percentage saying that ever come a bravo.
Right.
I think me and Cassami buy me buy you. And what do percentage saying that the man buy?
Okay.
Okay. Baby, I'm making a dream. Me was some beam. So I'm Diana, Miss Summer. I also am what did saying that I will come in. Okay, you won't come at me or year. And what did saying the 3 million and as of 1 minute you have a coming.
Right.
Who put 2 engineers together? Okay, no, Bisa. So I'm what didn't win now. Quite Ben, I'm a first meeting the idea.
Okay.
I bore me home. And it, sir, it was a I would go there 9 months.
Right.
On Williams.
Right.
Who is I think Emma, what's me every year over time because who is a responsibility over me? That's
right.
It was still 2 and more whom found them from meeting me after fulfilling our obligations. Yeah, a church one person, the Kaya, when I said, if you come over fire, mammy, so from the who said, Mammy, someone. Any papa family or more, anyone can sound die or you know, I shall soon be a dazzle.
You wash and be a dazzle.
Now, shall soon be a war, a Gennady be an answer club where be a general mat, sir, I shall soon I walk. Papa Tom, my baby, soon one has out there.
Right.
It's in then the percent, a rura, I shall soon. Okay. I did done Luciano son.
Okay.
Mr. Last week in the year. And Tom no chance on the back, a year or some
train.
And say a domusco, sir, and Tom.
Yeah.
If no wild dwa, a yes, sir, and Tona Samson.
Okay.
And then, now what do you need that? Aha. It's in them soon. You or my missing. That the Abusiani Barco. And then a Samson. Then a what do you? And then the frequency number, the 2 I said, a bit was together. And then.
Right. Now, yes, and Bruno make out say, oh, share an album, and I share video no question for Eddie May and Afro France, and ye be a share and your moon for so swim what I say, and indeed, see, Yambora and the Jumediano, mother side, you can't send me brave, and then some and always see what Eddie Mamma for.
And I want any and then because they share your mammy, Busiana Shanson. The same way as Shanson. He doesn't be over.
He doesn't be over. Right.
Numbers
right.
And then I was here. May you have to embassy every Asuna. Mammy Busma, a back account for any Asante for no one. A moon, sir, I was saying,
Asuna Ebusunia. Right.
Mammy from
Mammy,
addition.
Okay.
So, wait me, I couldn't be a Asuna. This all your this year.
This all your this year.
This year, or your mammy Muja.
Okay, the Mammy. That's right.
Oh, fear you. So, you're Jabba. There was addition.
Okay.
Very good. Now,
and there will tribe be a moon. Tribe be a man. I said, tribe be.
Tribes in the day. A member, your member, your man, Cunya.
Okay. And Mount Cunyano, and what's a few mammas. It's so for mamma. I say, what made the idea of her. Now, and a member, so with me at the idea of Papa, by the same time, with myself with the idea of Mamma side. Okay. Young quay and I share, and then sing and I see their mind. And then because here, as soon as Ebusia, or more crabwa, another Ebusiano. Gina shed Ginaye,
ɛda saa abusua no gyina yɛn so yɛ
right
anini
kwakwa debi kan kwakwa debi
ayɛn namafo no kan
kwakwa dobi nkrafo no kan kwakwa labite
ɛna mpanyinfoɔ no nso kan
kwakwa debi
broni friend crow
okay CROW crow right
okay na shanso ɛyɛ ne ho nwii no anasɛ ne ntakra
right
ɛyɛ tuntum ne fitaa
ɛna fitaa fufuo
ɛna
tuntum right
nti ɛno na mpɛsɛ ne ɛhwɛ mu yi
right asɛ ne
abusua no yɛwɔ aduana asɛkyi agona asona ɛkoana bretuo aseneɛ adako ɛna
ɔyoko
wei yɛ the typical akan asantefo ho asɛm na meka
right
though akanfoɔ ni mu no te sɛ mfantefoɔ ne ade na ɔmo nso wɔ asɛ extra ɔmo wɔ nine wei no ɛwɔ ɔmo mu
okay
but ɔmo saa wɔ extra bɛɛ 3-4 bi ɛka nine no ho a ɔmo nyinaa no ɛyɛ abusua no abia
okay
saa nso na wokɔ other accounts ni mu nso a ɔmo wɔ different bi keka nine wei no ho
right
but mainly no nine wei no na ɛba akanfoɔ ne asantefoɔ ni mu na
right
ɛyɛ accepted
right na ansa no yɛka akanfoɔ a ɔmo ne hwan mu a
ɔmo ka
yɛse
though eduru baabi a tɛkyerɛma no sesa kakra
ɛdane
but ɔmo wɔ commonalities
okay
ɔmo kasa ni
right yɛntoa so
okay nti mebobɔ so
right
na yɛaba bɛhwɛ deɛ ndɛ yɛpɛ si yɛwura mu na ɛyɛ asona no adako typically ɔmo ahyɛ nson no wobɛhu adwene typically wobɛsan hu akoroma ɛyɛ hawk that's adako no because adako no ɛyɛ mogya mmienu ɛna
yɛka bom ba
ɛyɛ adafoɔ
okay
ɛna kɔromantefoɔ
okay
adafoɔ no nso nim sɛ ɔmo no wɔ part of Accra ne part of Volta region
right
ɔna obi hu
adafoɔ no akosombo ne mpɔtam hɔ ɛba pram right ɛyi so manya ɛba mu a ba eastern region no hɔ kakra yeah right yɛkyia mo nyinaa
na sɛ ɔmo ka no typically
southern Volta
na honi hɔhɔfoɔ no ɛne
northern Volta that's right
ɛna yɛka kono nso a yɛ
koromante ɔmo ne hefoɔ
ɔmo wɔ
central region
kuro koromante no ofi sɛ wotra no maabo na ɔba wansa no aba abanzansa no aba winiba nkuro no hyehyɛ mu dɔɔso but sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ nipa bi hu ne sɛm
na ɔbɛte aseɛ no
common known towns no ne amamaabo
right
abanze no aba dɛrampɔn junction no aba amamaabo no aba winiba junction
okay winiba junction
ɛhɔ na ɔmo no wɔ
right
though ebi nso aspread to other places bi te sɛ Cote d'Ivoire Ethiopia ebi kura da so Egypt sisi yɛ a ɔmo amba
Ghana okay
koromantefoɔ no ɔmo no baabi ɔmo bi ɔmo ahyɛ nso no yɛ akroma ɛfɛ na asansa aduane nso n'ano yɛ bɔɔso kanaman yɛwɔ te sɛ abusua te sɛ ɔyoko yɛ kɔdeɛ yɛwɔ abusua bi te sɛ ɔmo ahyɛ nso ɔtwen yɛwɔ abusua baako mfa no sɛ abusua wei
aseneɛ abusua
ɔmo no ekuta anoma wei ɔmo fɛ no akɔdumi at the same time so cheetah and so say
Omo okay.
You great you so kind of say Asebo and a Omo
right.
And the person you remu Asona almost so crow and a young machines.
A crow no and a young machines. Right.
Now, sir, I walk Quack to be. A name of winning. Yes, sir, 1 year. Baby, a common word and go for the quack the baby. Yeah, target no, and the man bay. The money they are born on.
Right.
So, or your baby.
Wow.
Or your baby for
I didn't see. What's the reason behind it?
Yeah, the kind of say perception.
Perception.
Bruni, a bit created to the meeting. And son waiting me near be near area and I do not even free, Sabusian to me.
Why?
To me a good hour, said, and Troy. And I said, we've been saying, your power sell, Onya.
Sir, to me a good town say, yen too.
Wow, one throne, man, Troy,
and Troy. And
I said, if I know power selling to me, I know a drone Joe to me, Nanoa.
Obin to me,
I won't sell.
Right.
And bringing by no power sell. No, I do so.
I'll do so.
No, what do I acquire? Because no one didn't say, was a self free woman was as a panaso. Now, what do I acquire now? Cobra no, but so, or before when you my pair, I know the quay any man. Right.
Now, say, there's no smoke with a fire. Ebiana Nipa is a Casano, a more near Mohuniama, a one. A wrong perception. Okay. A misunderstanding. Right.
Tina Yent in a Juma. Oh, yes. And then, baby, I will free.
Okay.
Any day, or any man, who name Mamasa. Okay. Sir, I will say a friend of Asonano. By the virtue of Omo Ebusiano Accra Buano, a connected woman direct to Tradiam Ponquami.
Tradiam Ponquami.
And I'm in Tremu has a Dino, your bond baby, but it be a
someone so now a big tabam and tell if you have to Bobo.
Chi, a do,
treat a do, ampon, Kwame. Treat a do ampon, Kwame, and a tradiam pon.
Yeah, say no friend,
tradiam Kwame.
Now, fancy for kind of Kwame. Now, Titi Egypt, near friend of Amen.
Amen.
Ono na baka ne Amen Ra.
Okay.
And Amen Ra baka so ne Amon Ra. Amon Ra baka ne Amwa Ayisi.
Amwa Ayisi. Okay.
Iti yehwe Kwame na.
Okay.
Kwame
na. Amen. And the issue I do until Mr. Walk on my no abomani I share my share video no my kwan so e Amen. And I say Kwame na. I also wadwen kire na wo no fabra na yenkenkan emfa ma kwan so na no mentimi ankenkan message and then nobody has mentimi ankenkan message in the amount patcho see ayenko
enti
right
say uhu sa aboa na unless say aboa no beba ofie obeba won chan oba be si ompoma echi oba be si uka so oba be fa obi bia ko ofie
aboa be na kan ho asem kwa dobi anene crow right
na asem wo
sir
most of the times omo belong to sa family way sa mo we ta bo mo nchen ha
wow
se bi o wa ti se nkan say nkan for musia no ma no fam no say abade mienu eyusu sa aboa no asomo ahye nso
okay
moment ya be hu sa de na pet omo kire their connection with the holy god
okay
Tradi Ampon
Kwame
Who ye na a trail their connection with Chediam.
Wow. So what you will feel no who says someone be a number of them be in num in sia in do and watch it and now back one of you know fear. What does it mean?
My main trail
doesn't have any link.
Someone. The Juma would I am soon
and soon 7.
And he said, Uhu fear. And I would put the car will be oh, can you screen and answer a window poo. And answer will be soon can a channel be soon can a pump and one. And a man soon win a listed.
Right.
See, national song.
Okay.
Number 1. Death.
Wow. And now shall say death.
Because of Eluna a tardy ban. Didn't go for tagging this way, baby.
Okay, I understand.
But tardy,
wow. Wow.
Now, no new confirm our brass in you.
Na bi wo ho no.
You will never answer some.
Your personal wo and I say bia if you
answer some them.
If you dey free.
You be drew.
Right.
My mentor ni human.
Nti yenko 1 ye death. Right.
Number 2. Ill omens.
And
I say bad omens. I think Camponi. What do you ba? What do you think Camponi and so bad? Bad news. Bad events. Accident. Ejashishie.
Pra.
Oh no, the name.
Aside that, no. Sika. Ejuma.
Yeah, but number 2, number 3.
Okay.
On the side, the message and the journey of afterlife.
Message and journey of afterlife.
Wo ochina obewu. Wu a tumi a edi w'anim edo akọ wiase foforo no. No akọbu atan nyina na ya hu ba bi e besa mo akọtoa
wa bra bo so.
Nkwa na okra no ana akwantu ni so.
Right.
Ono na ekura no.
Right.
Ono na ode ba e wo nipa. Number 3, number 4. On the side, wisdom. Eba.
Wow.
Wisdom. Nyansa. On the river.
Right.
Intelligence. Inhunumu nimdie.
Wow.
Ya wo nimdie o. Eni esa wo nimdie no, emu hunumu.
Okay.
There's the deepest thinker. The deepest philosopher.
I said, wow, Siao, because you are deep.
The revealer and the knower of mysteries and deepest secrets, the depth of knowledge and understanding of secrets.
Right.
On the deba. That's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5.
Right.
Okay, number 6. Adaptability. On the deba.
Wow.
Sir, ultimi as a sound what be a bianca won't penanya or the name you are condom. Now, what crown was at Tibiana, attitude, a meow, a show, Yana, Rona, could say, Tibiana, a common dono, Tibiana, the Upebia Winyano. Wait me a show, was a crown.
Wow.
No 3 started be a new. No rat to be out of Friday. Who bet me a donor. A dear who are doing no akuma no when this no abroad no betimi aye.
Okay.
Utimi 2 kwan o me kwa ya kodi na samba o.
Right.
No ko meet condition bi. And no one stand what 30 years me nko. But how are betimi adapt obetimi asesa wo hu bleti ana no atimi atena saate bi anim na nsa no afiri ho no. That capability no. Ono no de ma.
Okay.
Okay. The thoughts on song. Prophecy.
Prophecy, be it good or bad. Right.
On the debate. I didn't say because in spiritual realms, and in spiritual, you can say energy of chi edu ampon kwame. Se ka Kwame wa kan kasa mu asante kasa mu a anase Kwame na Kwame na ye ka de ne da ye memene da
ne da ye memene da twedi ampon
oyi ne ho kire Mose no o ka kire se bidin de miara ne miara I am that
I am
ntie na nan kan me ne me da
okay memene da okay I get it right
who the word name
yeah miara ne miara da memene da
na obeka na miara ne miara tintin na no e man that perfect process no
right
me da
wow
it's a memene
da wow I get it I understand now
chi edu ampon Kwame miara ne miara
ye wa disua pa onana
Yesu akọ.
Wa disua pa miara ne miara
ene
de me da bae right
me
aye nine
said the Rasta friends ne kan aye nine
wow
yeah Rasta
okay I get it
right no aye
ra
madin kan say kwa amen ne ba panyin ni amen ra
okay amen ra
yeah Rastafari ra
hey ba asamo ya okay obi so no nya adwene o
onsuya obehu
right
onko deep
if you own nya adwene if you don't understand anything make sure say e wodo adwene for utim for beba na ye yiwa no si awa ha yi de obe yiwa no emre so kwa na ekonti yema enhonye ha na entimi
yenga de bi o odifo Elijah
right odifo
First Kings 17 Elijah ne Nyankopon twede pon kwa me ye
right
yenga de okosha nkom me kombai
twede ampon kwa me na
ekosha odifo Elia
wow
Elijah ekosha nkom ewo First Kings chapter 17 afi ekom ba ye no ensuo nto anuane ni hore ni ho ana be bi oti ni munsuo ni saye ani Nyankopon ka kire se onko subutan bi hu
subutan no
na obeba nsuo na gina nu ama nsuo na no ama na aduane adi wo ho kwesi se ni fi odi to ne nkom hye no so do so
okay
na nsuo ato na aduane aba
okay
aboa na yen yese oya bayiwa oya bayifo
no
oya wasaifo
no
ono na twe bia mpon kwa amen esuma no
right
ema no ko odifo Elia eho suma no de nam ene abodo pan suma no de free soro
ko Elia ho
the celestial realms
wow
the highest heavens through odoma hinwa nanim ade ba asase so eko Elia nchen
right
e wo subutan no
okay
nti mi question be say abo ye bayifo
yes
ne ho nti na oni abayifo ni ahombone nkwa na egoro na ma de Onyankopon adom hinwa ni
eden na Nyankopon soma no
nti aguburo kodie abronoma dede nkuku amwa yokra peacock omo nyina oho abwa no mo fa no mo anika no akono te se peacock wo
yeah but the answer
enti Nyankopon ntimi ansoma no hwe dove ne ho fe white ones Nyankopon ntimi ansoma dove se fa pan no ene nam koma Elia nemo Nyankopon timi hwedi se sa aboa anene na oya aboa boni oya bayiboa ono no nkosom ne before oya konkon
wow when it's man
maybe say ahwefo
right
doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense.
That means say nia obroni be kafa aboa no ho kire yen because of ye busua na hye nso nti agidi ya ye tu ni nyina gu ya ho de ne ba afo mo timi fa ye nkoa bo ye mfamfram no obedada ye
wow
because ukwa asori wo se wo sum twedi amponkwa ame but twedi amponkwa ame no na boa wo suma no so mfa aduane nkoma ne difo ahokye ne kombiri mu na anya aboa bia se kwakwa dobi no ye bayiboa
kwakwa de bia ye bon bayi
that target the most bayi animal of all the animals then ono no ko fi bi a prophet
asemo
then ono na the prophecy every odifo no prophesy
right
Yes, sir. Energy we sa spirit we sa power we. Ene de sa bar osumsam ne ahoninsam ene ohene Ahab ene oba a ye frɛ no ye kan say Ahab oyere
right you be kai ne akwa
Jezebel
right
ono na Nyankopɔn de prophecy no suma ne bre Elia sɛ ɔnkɔma saa prophecy no to Ahab ene Jezebel and pass prophecy no de call ye no ebem
na there's something we can empathy youth no empathy but I think say
the tell me person youth no tie so we abra boss say opewumpo ye wo to abusu
that's right
opewumpo ye wo to ntom opa asema America ni church am dey me sabi twetwene
right
tugu fa dia wo wasori doctrines ne dogma nye doctrines fa dogma na wasori dey ma on nko akọ wakopem
that's right
obati kroninka obati twedi amponka obati shaninka na obati ujijiji sabre ebi abatu ani no na wuhumisia
na bedu won so na nema so
ase say sia dia atumi die hwimam ne anya me den ebi ano antini anko udifo obi ano antini anko wasori sofo ho etu di opa to go but me show bo we kwa kopia
ene bedu won so na bia na nema so agiegu oye hofia
ye de Sofia bobo se wo kwa dia ne nchen nso na onye nduru ho
wow
mama ka interest me nkyerɛ wo sa asona busia se de papa soma wo na wo ba na wo ba ma bibi nti se ya aware adwuma a wo ye asɔre a wokɔ gidi a wabenya ɛsesa saa botae na yɛde soma wo na na wo ya nyu sɛ wabɛwo mba no aware kunti no wo hantuma afo na wo yɛ na yɛ botae nti a wo ba yɛ na adekodia pa yɛde soma sɛ bɛyɛ no wahwɛ akyiri kwan no anya sɛ ɔmo ma wo 90 years ya me hyɛ wo bɔ wakyɛ wo wia sɛ 45 years ɔmo abɛgye nkwan akɔ forget sɔfo a wo yɛ forget difo a wo yɛ
okay
me de mesa sinimbo me ka kyerɛ wo pin ɔmba bɛgye nkwan akɔ
wow nana with what we are saying you share ye nananom time na amuhu sa mboa na I think they do a lot of rituals by every so there I say aye bibia ho then ntia nana and I say you hu sa mboa na what should we do
so oye asonani a tie me ye
we ye in church a we say e fa ne yie pa because e ade a hinta ye nim a lot of us me say me sua ade pa
eno na eku ye eno na me accident ni twetwe na ne nsa eno na emma yare me ayo mo operation mo mu eno na ma emma ewu with breast cancer
okay
me ka no kra kire wo se oye oba na wo any type of cancer wo yam no no fu na amamre a eda saa yare no ho wa anye na so be use chemical drugs ana herbal drugs e dia heal wo ho a sister e bi twa no fo
wow
na twa e bi twa no so no onsan nyini nche e twa na heal wi a wa che wo wi a say 5 years oba be jim pana ko
wow
hwe saa ne man start say ba nyame kese
ana
asoma make many that and so because nkrofobia ya so dey within last month and this month ma omo abo pew a me ya pa
pew dey say omo wu ana say yare abo okay
omo awu
right now Anita Facebook live or share Anita Parry e be say mo share video no for my question so Anita Parry say good evening Reverend and I think so Eric Asante Wedi e papa so line so Facebook I say deep inside that's right me hu network ne have into the endpoint
saa de ne ba ho
yeah
ina so be pe akoko a tuntun sita won kala cancer
wow okay cancer ne ba
we ba cancer
right
eba any part of your body a show me a diagnose ma appear se mpie na se see a bit se me hu a ni niema me ya e be kill ade na e be hye ase a
yentie okay
Emma won't call diagnose na you because when you diagnose na say kim. Eso abie.
Wow.
This amamre na wo ho wo ye.
Wo ye.
Na gidie no so aye no, ye de ewura ye mu from ye nkura dem besi ne no. Emma ye ho kwan say ko wabusuam. Ko wo fa ho. Ko nkonwa fie. Ko odihunu ni bi ho. Ko spiritualist bi ho.
Right.
No nje wo saa ne ma no mfanya amamre de ma ansan wa ko hospital for treatment. And I will catch those off from so and pen of a one oil no be boost.
That's right.
Sadia no nya oil in your dick a year one mamre. So no right in Yako.
Even say a physical no body no more and yet oil never sat. Any spiritual answer and yet oil no never sat. Okay, what if say oil no
take steps up healing? This is a weird Sadia no mamre answer because our son has had a baby. Ejinaniema miensa so cancer titi.
I didn't know bibia ya ritual. And na ritual inso yen enemre ye say eye abosonsom.
Bible say God is the same yesterday, today and tomorrow.
God is the same yesterday. That's right.
The Tiana never me nyuma komani.
And then we are no yen embrace we yasesa.
Say what asesa no ntrese Nyankopon order
asesa.
Right. No ntrese the standard
asesa.
And in the spiritual practices or the man ntoni musua no asesa.
Right.
So far as say na pam e da so kuta de before ni e da so si hene e si hima na ye wa busua na ebusua ndini da ho na ye wa busua panyirifo e da no no nko ade saa apam na oni ye na nanom pam titititititira de ni besi nem that thing is still working.
Right.
And the requirements ye ritual type we wo mu ni nyina no it is still in action. It's still in motion besi nem.
Right. Almost say King Charles and a ritual. I know say camera no to channel. Of course, really a ritual.
Yeah.
King Charles your you. Look at his age now. Why a ritual sa punu. Oni na busuafo ene twumusie gu omo aya me de be ma MC na next time no why then. So ritual adena me hu pope no so ye ritual man no pope the late pope wo ye ritual bi ama no adena mo de amo ye a eye na ye mu oba ye bibre mu han ma ye na de sa ritual no so try improve ye enemri so aye se enye obi share ring say ma share ring ye say ma kwafodi adru and I say obo no ho ban and I say but the fact say obi put to ring e won nsa doesn't mean say wadi adru and I say oye bibi
member o question but me be etiefo ni kakra ko apanda da ni mu a Nyankopon ka kire Moses say asofotade na ompam hye no ompam bi ma Aaron ani Levi for your friend Prophet say the breastplate of righteousness.
The breastplate of righteousness.
Tenene katabo. Woni name ane o?
Nana minim.
Crystal stones. Ruby. Agate. Pyrite. Diamond. Gold. Carnelian.
And our mama come take grandma. Carnelian.
Turquoise. Graphite.
Wow.
12 powerful stones. And omo ebone bone anu ntokru ene ase ntokru na ompam ball enwrem ene e de nwra ne ball odwan mu mem ene ye pam balls of tade mu wo anim.
Wow. And then so ukoye ayese eye sumsum eye ofre bibi ofre ade bi enye empese betidi.
Rituals and pennyful in a normal premier ye more.
Right.
So when your bass as you saw from the way I am walk with the one, what did Miaraka? Need I a minute that. The planets and our focus and your friend Saturn. India for Hinduism for our practices in your friend Shani. Tambia no bedin someone or near Rahu. Any Ketu. And Emma.
Right.
Ketu. I voter reading.
Wow.
Ketu.
Wow.
ye be di hon komo ekyire
right ye be di hon komo
se omunyi sane for mo a na se wo ya aso na ni na se wa wo ba ba ko mienu miensa wa ware wo wa adwuma onsa ko wa no ukunu nsa ko na no otimbo akonhoma
yes
wo ba ko wa ndase wo mienu wa ndase wo miensa wi a senso ye ma wo mienu pe na wo se obewo na wo tu ni wi a na wa nse da mpe akụkọ a oye tuntum ni fita na ebuduro oye tuntum fita na aponche oye tuntum na aponche oye tuntum ni fita nkum a na shani satan memene da miara na miara kwa amina asia onka nwe obedi di ubenom na wo sankwai eda obeba beto wo nso no maso so obeda wo ka no omma ketu ni rahu na beba ade bia sambre no yedi manwa ebe ma wadwena ba ho so bia na omde abrewo ti se wadwene ba ho so a na fe wo bisa se na die na akwafa sa yare ro ha wi asemu yaba ti unya pe de hunufo a na wa kire se ya de we ni we fada nyankopon no nananom ase nananom na ye ka no ya na nipa ndegradunium se samanfo no mo ofie ni nko ada bi wona na odi kan ni twede ampo nyankopon wona na otoso mi ni tumi ade ni titire wa busua no wona na otoso mi ansa ni ahonhom a mo soro ho ba ka busua no be ya adwuma ma mo nya nhyira asa ka ni samanfo aba
wow na we no nyina na se wonni mu a sanka ye ni hu fo
omo ba be bo ketu ni rahu ba be ya action
ebi ni kwakwa de bi na eba no so say emo ba how do you feel
we call them the wheel of Satan like omo ne twedian pon kwa me nan omo tuba bi o betime tu akọ
na
nsenke nyankopon na be ba obegina ho behu nanim semi nam gina ho yi no obema ne nan aba a ye kwakwa de bi
wow na kwakwa de bi ne ba omo the message never but we don't feel a nya signal because I didn't think
enipa bi ha onya but gidia wo mu no no asam bossa feeling no onya na trouble
because e bi na make am me hu kwakwa de bi bebre wo me chance so me fie mo basa na me tobo bo na me pam
that means o ma me bi so na o free mu no mo ya connected to asona enye se na enye me asona we asuna me because we connected to asuna family in anyway and as we nya asuna ni a ba ko pe and the prophecy best man so family to say we are here aduan ani na o ko critical condition bi mu a na twede ampon kwa be so be rescue be suma kwa do bi ba ko pe
wow but we dey me
hu dodo ba say we emoja no de hia ba ko bada omo amado do kwa na miensa
na we dey a revelation to me today
e bi so ho mo ba 5 4 8
am ba 5 more than 5 want me ba na be ja chance
me don fu bi pa oyo ba me ka kire ni say obeda so de be na kwa do misisi ni fi obesori na mpa na be bi ohun se nwa nsin ho na na o musisi na one ne mo to bo pa mo na say hey one year careful ka be wo ba tete no prekupe bi a recover then we go free access.
So when it happen this way, me who almost na what should I do?
Na me ji asem no. Me tell us we one no say ya di olive oil ye any pepper. Ye warm water. No di piti ni fie no di ni man bi gare. Enu ye mpa bo na make no. Afi duru amane. I say a pet akokwa tuntum ni fita we ni mu oba mi ekunu na mi che ni mu according to the frequency of Satan and according to the frequency of the crow no it is Satan the number and the frequency number is 7
wow
crow the number is 77 judi be ka nyankopon number ho na is 777
that's right
it is aboa ba ko mi che ni mu 7777 and they tell me say about 1149 minuru sa sport we o ma beje
sport bia
bi
okay
junction bi particularly
right nti enya bia ba
there be bia
that is some kind of sport
a particular sport
okay
say 2 junction 3 junction 4 junction
okay right
nti bia me hu see ye kire me no me make sure say 1149 do pepe na me
go on
Akabet is an among bears a do sport. The 2 million and 1 is like post.
Wow.
Number 9 a kind
wow.
No Mrs.
Wow. Let's see, over 3 junction, 4 junction. Does it have any implication in our life, our daily life?
Yes.
Right.
I didn't say a bet to be a doer. And yet 2 junction, 3 junction, and 3 junction, 4 junction. And then a pointing 10 at Bahona will be our first be. I'm so fast to be ready if you found got to come. Say, I found why the 2 fear man.
Say, junction, what does the junction mean? Say, now, how you know
powers, yeah, from Cultural Junction. To say, be outside the number and also Junction, a current night. Into Okran. One could cut a crewing where Druna Mong, I'll be cut a crewing. And it's no way I didn't know Junction most of the time.
But you will do baby, nay, the same, and then you
walk. Powers are more dinner or more controlling for elements in any eternal review. Tambiano or more presence over 4 junction.
4 junction. So, right.
It's all person we are the amount we are the Strad, the Binonian and Tam Nipa being power said, because our junction, 4 junction, time we.
So let's say, maybe I net. Odihunu bi na ebia or show say ebia ko ha ko yebi na mo wow intuition e kire say me ya de me fa ko 4 junction.
See intuition you take time on intuition the man. Follow the time, go there and do it. You will get results.
Right. So let's move on. I be answer because and ya share sentem and a real time for from
Mami knew it. Crow.
Okay.
Gentia na me pese enipa tie no mo hye no so ne se na no me kan ye kwa ye ni mo no wa ni titiri me se kan bi me titiri effect me pa e will take place after ye wura krowura take a course na na e twa dwira na opesu twa ne ni e twa September October
right
going this year na ede ya beba so. Say baso
calendar nana ede ye adwuma calendar nana beto ya ogusu a ode ye adwuma. So obi a wo hwe if you are from any family was say wo sha ase na o family no so ne niema ebi say bosomi a family no was say mo de ye bibi no we have to do that kind of say be ya
in the effect no the negative effect of not performing no. I hate to know man wa busuya
because I bone ye bone biara ye gi Bible na dinti ye the Bible na ye bia.
But can you tell someone now they can see there's a reset. And before it sorry. A schedule to finish and to mind never fail yasmin under one next one kingdom. You tell someone want to say
Atipo Gideon, you are welcome.
The tell me you say
right.
Ye be ran Arabia Nipa engu rough.
Nipa engu rough.
Akuni akusem empie rough.
Right.
And your kingdoms are
kingdoms
in one meeting. On one pin say ye sa system we free home. Near system and they are the pure heavens energies in the beba.
Right.
Or more you two say your penisel way through an from Ran, you can Ashanti Kingdom.
Ashanti Kingdom, a prince say kingdom ben if you are not kingdom ben brass.
Now almost the heavens now, Chadian Professor, the brass as some. Right.
Right now, my chauffeur Aquaba, Mima Anita Perry, you are welcome. Sanso and Eric Asante Buedi, Papa, you are welcome. And I think so Atipo Gideon, you are also welcome. There's a lot of them. You move on.
British Kingdom, Peninsula New Heavens Energies in Embrana Kingdom, Nimesi, baby. Emoja 7 Nipa Moja if you go never go.
Right.
Sorry. The Russian Kingdom, Epinay, the China Kingdom, Epinay,
Ashanti Kingdom,
Penay, say New Heavens,
Mbra,
Russian Kingdom, Penay, China Kingdom, Penay, Morocco, Penay,
wow,
Yoruba Kingdom, on 1 penny, Igbo Kingdom, on 1 penny, UK Kingdom, on 1 penny, particularly when you were Utmania, Dubai for no.
Okay.
On 1 penny.
Right.
And changes na eba in the frequency of the family energies and the tribal energies.
Right.
Sure. Energies na eba no asori ayekoi isosuna ewo musese e Roman Methodist. Armies of Christ, Elohim Kingdom Temple, yenina yesuma ewo mu Kremosom Buddhism suma ewo hoi.
Yeah.
Energy no de pia fa ho abe connect nipa. A mo was asase so mo firi musua mu no. Me kanokre was so ni asase so kire nipa. Enu 10%.
And do 10%.
But we sound say nipa do say na wo esuma ho do a ewo wiase.
Right.
About 92 to 95% of the energies no more reasoning in nam family blood lines.
Family blood lines.
Tribal blood lines.
Tribal blood lines.
And no more release energies no and frequencies no. Sunday man so me ba angels ne spirits ne powers are hold on follow frequencies no dey ba.
No na send dey okay dey any person ko wo kra eba but and the
frequency na eba no
20 years 30 years na yeko
template e wo mu no. So you read church journey we are amamra do be ko so about 4 kingdoms na mo pin say new heavens no.
Emra no.
Sa energies ni emra.
Wow.
And Sunday man take place we are say die wo dada na ebe sustaining energies na ye abusua no ne nton na hoden na ewo dada. Wan ko perform wo die wo na wan nye like remembership.
I will kai one
san fa wa hoden na san ko kan mom. E wo fie de na wo de ho to ahoden na wa asore ne nko anim no a
you be disconnected.
You be disconnected and you be moved over.
It's about
the blue afaso.
It's so something in the bible.
The blue afaso. You will go to the next life. Premature.
So we ana
because you
wow.
Any baby will do. If you never see 20
where prophecy ana
20 to 2044.
2023 2024
2033 to 2024.
Right. Wo
ana energy ni AP. Basa. And say family bloodline. If you are not connected to now empowerment or from one energy ni hate you are is supposed to sustain you. But a bit my
right.
Obi o spiritual person be atmosphere onipa yam prepare no your money impartation. Obo obi a ne honhom ne kan nipa bia no yam prepare no impartation. Obetimi akwa oda ho sori bi obetimi afom.
Wow. Now, yemre na
because energy overdose e wona so.
Yemre na yebe then na ka we kire say eni ati ahwefo eche.
Adia me person me kire asonafo.
Right, asona.
Yeah, the ebe busuani especially some month we kwesi September no.
Universe na kasa kire
asonafo nyina yi. But enka your time. Senka asona busua no babia ohene bia oye manhene bia oye asonani bia no abusua panyin bia oye asonani ohiani bia oye asonani padefo bia oye asonani middle income bia oye asonani month we kwesi September enka your month but asodin no ani gidie na ewurahen na ha ye no nti bebre nso be famu awu
asodin na ebi ni sen eni bi ni dien nana
ade a me betire obi aka tell me say me yesi a ti bi a me Kristo ni pa but se wo yesa kwantre we ya enye wo nana na ya mom twedi nkonkwa me ne de amammere ni amanne to enipa abrabom ena empaibo eni apaye be kam amammere ni amanne ne wo ho ansa na empaibo eni apaye ebe kam
right.
Enti say oh ya paye na wo bom paye a fa amamere so kan
okay
fa amane kan empaibo ekoneti mfanama apaye ekoneti asase
okay empaibo ekoneti
mfanama sorry apaye ekoneti nsuo ena amamere koneti asase ena amanie
koneti ja ena mpaibo so koneti mframa right. So
enti sɛ obi ɛyɛ asonani no ɔhwɛ me badamfo bi unu ebi kunu wo yere
na me dem njo me no net
wo
ya
boss bi a onim na ɔpɛ na sɛm a ɔdidi mu obi di ɔyɛ asonani wo kurom man hene yɛ asonani a sɛ man hene bi nso hwɛ ma ɔbɛn mpɔn bi hwɛ na ɔyɛ asonani a efiri 12 July ekosi September 14 Shani ana Satan ana Memeneda
yes
wa retrograde abeda Aries Aries nso yɛ emoja zodiac ono no ko da rahu ni ketu a accident ni moja wiego ba se de yekum nkokɔ disastrous event nko a
right
Satan nankasa no yɛ disciplinarian ɔyɛ punishable ɔyɛ justice ɔyɛ loving ɔyɛ caring
ɔwɔ ni nyinaa wow
but the punishment ne discipline
is
severe
wow
and wabeda the ono so ɔyɛ blood test Aries
and blood test no so say tembia no okamoja
penipa moja enti sɛ mompɛ nipa wuwu rɔfrɔfo a osumi bia no okude da pa kweside na sɛ benada da pa bia no ma cheki na ma pa agya bia ma na kokɔ bia
akokɔ na kwanchin odwan
mode totonia
asuna fo a mo hwɛ asuna busua a mo hwɛ
mesrɛ wo asuna ni a efiri na kwesi September abekɔ awie wodi unni didie obibia mu a wodi pe candle fita ne tuntum
and then we are go pay
benada ne memene da bia mesrɛ wo hye
okay
wodi de obeka te twede mpon kwa me bia nyame no ni dina wonim bia wodi fa bɔ
we asuna ni a pe candle fita ne tuntum na benada
ne
memene da bia
efiri yewra ye trafia da no na be wram memene da ahomache 12 a ekosi memene da anwumra 11:59 obetimi ahye benada so the same time
from
try 7 down 3 server sorry question
from 11:30 going no
obetimi ahye candle
obetimi at the same time wow then what should be the request or prayer
ya oban say ensesanya aba abodie nim eni wiem ohawa e dia ba asase so ne de ba wo oni ofiefo nyina wo da twedi amponkwa ame ene na honhom nyina sese wa ma bia nka
right
na wa ma enhyira mmom apie wo oni ofiefo so
right na
obota ya de be shika ne aduana no
right
wo sika so na wo gidie se de America no memfa onkoto bonsam gym memfa onko hair said de makam ya tina ba hoko tuntu na kofita ba
akọ tuntu
ba you Christmas
okay say wo sika so a obetimi okay
so wo sika dia obetimi
akọkọ na aponchin
fisa bo so mi ya kosi se
aponchin kokọ ni fita ni tuntum fita ga
fita ni tuntum
okay now bibi to say abronoma ana
fita betum so abronoma fita na abronoma tuntum
okay ana confirm a oye confirm a oye confirm ka ho abronoma right emena ebe na mini bibi wo hono ma fasade ato aso ma na ga enwi
wo ya asonani a ene yawada ene benada wo ya asonani a eya taahye pepre
memenda ne yawada
ene benada
memenda ne yawada ne benada wo ya asonani a taahye pepre
fa bompa yesre
pepre
radi ni negative energies bi en feel osunu feel
wow
no ma of favor
pepre na ye de
any blessings ni expansion
pepre na ye de na bia na obi hwe oni
you can bro focus am say clove
wow CLOV clove pepre right and inti wo hwe a wo ye memory den wo ya sonani a memory da
even say wo memory da kra anase wo December 21st adequacy January 22nd we are Capricorn o she Saturn
okay
tashi
right na catch us say abrabo kwanto dwumadi e na woni guso a wo hwe e wo FPN TV na enne ya bobo nsem bebre so na e ka se be wie no kra me ngini se nda e betimi awie e me na ye bia ne sa na destiny e na yedi hu nkomo destiny according to your mother's family, destiny according to your father's tribe, destiny according to your color, destiny according to your birth. And ye di hun komo, ye din komo bebre. But I think say emrena ye briane sa. But ye sorry dwumadi no so na ansa na no mepese sia ewo ene ebe ya kwanche wo bibia ususu se ahwefo wo de be chew na amaye na ebia dasende ye beba na adanside bia aba na ye gina so na ye de ama ahwefo nti minim wo bibi fufura wo pese wo ka cha ahwefo a
efiri nekwesi ekosi enema awche
nekwesi kosi na wohwe
obi a wo hemi bia carrot and also cucumber
right
mo me pewed sa na ye kan cucumber
say
o kan cucumber mo de
mo ye na no mo ye si afo de ja ye no de aba efo afa na aba
enti pe carrot and cucumber
okay
na twem 8 so emfani mienu ebia bebia wonu nya cucumber ni but we nya carrot
okay
ebi nso a de o hwem no onya cucumber but onya carrot but we nya cucumber
okay
just find one of the two vegetables
okay
chamu 8 chamu enchani nyina cha half no chamu 8 na ka de ohia nyina gusu ne nia opese efiri wa bra boso ko urgently o kan gusu wi a o dem mfikyire mpoma no wo kwan no abantene ko topiti ho
wow
na half na aka no ba de twam 8 kan ye ope bia opese rade man daddy wa bra bom egusu re 8
na re 8 no eno anu no
let's see what God will do for you now till the end of July
right me pese obesan sisu biem ko afi na obi so adwane ye emena ye be so so anse me pese obesan sisu biem ama me
de tia da bia me kan se me ntam akwanti se me nya ade en ho adwuma
untimi emfa
ma me kire
right
ko nfa ko ya emfa but my ho adwuma 3 days ago ade besim le
okay
ema I accepted
okay also
asonafo ne kakodo bia me kan wase me masre
aye
ho ma me kwan na me kire ni
right
ene ma me ho kwan na me kire
right
enti no ye pe cucumber na se carrot
that's right
pe ba ko pe chemu 2 cha half mu 8
right
kan ye opese rade nyema ne nya opese mfiri abra bo mu nkongu so to peti abantene ana ho ana wo mpuma ana wo kan
right
ana wo veranda 8 half na kan twam 8 kan ye opese rade man ra wa bra bo mu ne ende di wo asetene me free ne kosi July ending go so
right
eno
right you better see na ya ka say it se kwan sonko say it on suffer and so buy na me ka say o de ye fa we ye chi akwan entuja obi pe si a na opese oni ne di djuma on frɛ 056998352 056998352 nana sikadwa sia nana sikadwa nana mesro se odo we chi akwan betudwa obi hwehwe a enfa no be ho
no
Mampontin.
You see, Mampontin gas station la friend, and I said Eden filling station la friend.
Right.
And I said Mampontin, what they call Abbas, no kind of school nature.
What kind of school?
Madman so see Abbas Junction. Friend.
Right.
Mama, then you father found out by needing.
Right. Na ha ene di dwumadi ni besi mo sonfo nyamekese ina me di dwumadi echi ame dwumadi bomodin ase wo be share amafofo enya ho mfaso se bibi chi wadwen na se wo pese wo fresh a bomodin ase wo fresh a ana se wo voice note ama no WhatsApp na ono address ko e wo abrabo mo adwuma so sika mu bibia na bibia timi akokama that's the never san atnas bi nyame ada Wednesday right we had my better as Wednesday na yes about nti bomodin na ene entina from now ko say Wednesday le ba no o adwen share wo bibia send bra na be kan kan dia ma me da wase Perry Anita Perry Eric Asante eye Atipo Gideon ene o mam kaka ho nyina e da wase nyame hira wo e be san hia Wednesday